every one of us can find out which one of Noah's 3 daughters-in-laws we came from. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Read the ICR, Institute for Creation Research, based in Dallas. Their Acts and Facts magazine, July of 2016. Request a copy, and it's all in there, a summary of it. Okay, God was throwing the book at us. It was not just floods, it was tornadoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, underwater mudslides, tornadoes, hypercanes, probably comets. Everything was happening. And here is a tornado. The highest wind speed ever recorded is recorded from tornadoes. And I want you to see one form right here. Let me get it going here. Here we go. Here we go. Can you see it? That show up better? And really, that's a fairly simple experiment with clear 2-liter bottles and then a coupling that you can get at a hobby store or something. Very simple. And it illustrates the vortex of a tornado. Now, we got him going early there. That'll be an F5.